In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up Stripe payment links in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelance professional, this guide will help you streamline your payment process quickly and efficiently. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the Stripe website. Stripe is a powerful tool designed to transform your business's financial infrastructure. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your Stripe account. If you haven't set up an account before, you'll need to create one. However, for today's demonstration, let's assume you already have access. Click on the Sign In button at the top right of the homepage. Now it's time to log in using your credentials. Enter the email address associated with your Stripe account and your secure password. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button again. At this point, Stripe may ask you to enter a verification code. This extra step ensures the security of your account. Check your registered mobile device or email address for the code and enter it in the designated field. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Stripe dashboard. To proceed, navigate to the Home section if you're not already there. From the dashboard, locate the menu on the left-hand side and click on Payments. This section is where you'll manage all your Stripe transactions, including creating payment links. Under Payments, you'll find an option called Payment Links. Click on it and you'll be taken to the page where you can create new payment links. On this page, you'll see a button labeled Add Product. Click on it and you'll be prompted to select the products or services you want to offer via your payment link. This is a crucial step that allows you to customize your payment link to reflect what you're selling. After adding the product, the next step is to select options for your payment link. You can include pricing, recurring options, or even discounts depending on your business needs. Once you've decided on these options, look for the button that says Advanced Options. Clicking on it will reveal additional settings you might find useful, such as payment limits or custom fields for gathering buyer information. When you're satisfied with your selections, you can proceed by clicking on Pay. This action prepares your Stripe account to activate when the payment link is used. The final step involves creating the actual payment link. Find and click on Create Link to generate a unique URL. This payment link can be shared directly with customers via email, social media, or embedded on your website. Finally, once the link is created, you will have the opportunity to click on Payment Link to view and manage its details. From this page, you can easily copy the link or make further adjustments as necessary. And there you have it. You've just set up a Stripe payment link, making it easier than ever for your customers to pay you. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe our channel for next video.